and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikaela, and yes, I am in a different setup. I'm actually chilling in the nursery at the moment. So exciting. I'm so excited to show you guys the final nursery and how I've set it out. A lot of you guys were really interested in seeing this video, so of course I wanted to make it for you guys and show you where I got pretty much everything. If I can't remember where I got something, I will leave it in the description below. But yeah, I'm just gonna pretty much show you guys. You would have seen like the nursery kind of like clips, and now I'm just gonna show you guys where I got everything and where how I've set it all out, how I've organized it. There are still a little bit more things that I do need to do in here, like organization wise and stuff like that, but I thought I'd just quickly get this out for you and show you pretty much what I've got so far. I really hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That will really help. And don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, especially Instagram, because that is where I pretty much show you guys everything that I get anyway beforehand, and that is where you'll see the baby updates as well if you guys are really excited to meet her. And yeah, let's just get into this video and I'll show you guys pretty much where everything is. So this is what you see when you walk in. You kind of just walk through the door, and then I've got like your cot over here, change table, my nursing chair down the back here, and literally yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys, I'll show you guys the wardrobe part first, and get that out of the way because it's literally just open for me now. And then I'll go through like the change table, and then this area, and then nursery. So this is what the kind of like layout that I've done. I don't know if you guys, I might do like a vlog style me behind the camera, because I think it will be a little bit easier to kind of like show you guys everything. But yeah, this is how I've like set it all out, which I will show you guys. So first up, I've got these like boxes, and I got these from Kmart. These kind of like storage containers. I do want to get 3 more so I can fit 3 more down there, but they don't have them in stock. So I got these from Kmart. They're just natural like looking, and then I got these like little tags from Kmart, and I just used the label maker to put like extra essentials. I've got bedding, sheets, and feeding as well, and I just put them on there so when I do need stuff, I do have them all stored away. And then down here I have like plain singlets for her. So these are all just her like little singlets that she has, all been washed, ready to go. I got these from Ikea, these baskets. And then these baskets I got from Kmart as well. I've got like just been using the label maker like crazy. Bibs, so these are all her like little bibs. And then I've got like her pants, and then like another one of these as well. I've only got 2 of these, but I want to get another 2 more. But Kmart has just literally have no stock. So I might end up changing them to something else, just because they are like overflowing at the moment. So I might change them to something different, but for now that's just what I've got. And then on the next level I have her sleepwear. So just like all her like onesie zippies, and then some like Born to Dream like things like that, little swaddle things. And then on the last one I have her matching set, like her little Jamie K outfit. Oh my god, so excited. And just a few more like bits and pieces, like her like the extra name tags that I'm going to put on the other ones. And then I've got like here, I'm going to change this, I don't like it, but it's just like her headbands and stuff. It's just a Kmart container, but it's already getting full, so I'm going to have to like change that. And then over here I've just got her little dummies in there. So all her little like dummies, different ones, and that's from Kmart as well. And then right down the bottom is her shoes, which I'm going to change this basket. I just had this laying around and I just put all her shoes in there. Heaps of shoes that that my sister-in-law gave me. Just like hand-me-downs. Like, how cute are these like little shoes? And then I got a heap of like, she's going to be wearing a lot of Nikes, Air Forces, like her mother. So yeah, that's literally just like her clothing like area, like a little essentials. And then I went and got, so I've got like a heap of clothes for her. These are the Kmart hangers. I love these hangers. They just look aesthetically pleasing. And then I got these from, so they're like dividers. So I've got 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6, and then they just keep going. But I got them from Love Bambino in Rockhampton. But I'm pretty sure they're from the white, oh, I can't remember, but I will leave it in the links below. But I got them from Love Bambino with Love Bambino. I was really lucky that they had that. And then on the other side, over here, I have all her nappies. I bulked up in nappies. And then I've just got her Red's baby basket, or her like thing for her pram. She's got the bassinet on there at the moment. Look at all her clothes, you guys. Stop. Oh, she's so spoiled. And then I got this from Ikea. It's just like a toy thing. So I've got like all her toys in there for now. And then just bits and pieces. So I really like that. I really need to get rid of the sticker things on here. I've just been really lazy, but that's her, like her toy chest. I haven't got anything in that yet. It's just chilling there. And then, yeah, that's pretty much her closet. Ready to go. So over here, I have like a little hanging thing. It's kind of just like a little decor kind of like looking thing. I've got this from Kmart. I got this swaddle from King's, was it King? No, Kin, I think it's Kin Baby, I think. I can't really remember where I got it from. I think it's Kin. I can't, yeah, I'll list everything below. And then this is from, I think it's from Maddie and Me or something. But I got it from the Two Birds store. This is from Best and Less little outfit. And then down here is like her little hamper. That's from Kmart as well. And then over here I've got like a little mirror so we can see Bub. So Bub and I can like see each other when I change her and can like show her reflection. And then I got this mattress protector from Big W, and this is the INC change table. So I actually got this from my sister-in-law and my brother. So it matches the cot, but it's from INC, and I just love how it looks. It's really cute. Very me, white and oak, pretty much. And then I got these baskets. So I got these baskets from Adairs. So I just like stuck all these baskets down and labeled like nappies. So she's got nappies, wet wipes and baby products, her swaddles. So these are like all her swaddles. Some from Beach Baby, some from more from Kin, some from Kmart, just a heap of swaddles there. And then I've got her like little play mat blankets and things like from Seekaboo, Best and Less, all that kind of stuff. Her disposable change mats, earbuds, baby bag, nappy bags, all that kind of fun things. And then her burp cloths. So I got like the terry towels from Kmart, and then I just got a few from that were made for me as well, which was really cute. So that's like her change table and everything. I have this little like bin down here, but my friends actually got me the Tommy Teepee one, so she's bringing that back with her when she comes back from Brisbane when the baby's born. She couldn't bring it up last time because it was too big. And then I've got my favorite things in this whole room. So they're like the rattan, like elephant and giraffe. So I got these from With Love Bambino in Rockhampton. And then I also just stuck like some like greenery to give it a bit of something in there, just like I thought that was really cute. And then over here is my kind of like nursing chair. I just got the chair from Kmart. The pillow is from Kmart, and the like rug thingy, well, not rug, but like blanket is from Adairs. I really love how that looks. I reckon it's really nice, and it's actually comfortable. Like, I don't know how comfy it's going to be with, like, I didn't want like a big rocking chair. I just wanted something very simple, and I wanted that tan color. And then across from here, I just got like my lamp. I've got like some, if I want like essential oils, and just like these flowers were on the baby cake that I had for the reveal. My friends got me some crystals, just a candle, and then I had this table already, so I just used that one. And then I've got down here, I've got heaps of books. My friends got me this like tiger thing from Kmart. They put like a heap of stuff in there for the baby shower. And then my mum made this, it's literally like a big leaf, so baby can like lay on it. And then I have like this like poof thing to put my feet up. It's just from Kmart. Oh, the rug is from Fantastic Furniture. Yes, Fantastic Furniture as well. So it's just a really nice rug. And then I come over here and I've got the Arlo baby monitor. Now it's just chilling there for now. We're going to put it on the wall later down the track, but baby's not going to be in the bed at the moment. So yeah, I've just got that just chilling there for now. Not sure if I said the lamp's from Kmart. And then I got this, so now we're at the cot. So this big blanket I got from, where did I get it from? Karma Candles in Yeppoon. So I got that from there. The sheets are from Kin Baby. They match the swaddle. And then I've got some like stuffed animals for her, some things that my sister-in-law, my mum, and like friends have brought. So I got like the jelly cats. This one, I'm not sure where my friend got me that one, but I got that one from Adairs. And then I got the pillows from Adairs as well. They're all Adairs. I also got this big like neutral colored like tent thing from Adairs. And then I've got this beautiful mobile in here that was made for me by Michelle's Macrame here on Instagram. I think it is so cute. I love it. It's got like the natural wood and everything. It's very cute. And like I said, the cot is from Incy, so that just matches the change table. And then over here I have, so I bought this thing from Kmart, and then I got these made, so the little like toy things made. I can't, for the life of me, I can't remember where I got them made, but I will try and link it where I got it made. The funny thing is, like, it was taking a very long time to get these made. Like, I ordered them 2 months, and I messaged the person and she said, oh, so sorry, like something happened. So I actually got these for free, so thank you. And it came with like this little toy as well. She gave me that as a sorry gift, which was really nice. And then I got this Dockatot I can't wait to use this Dockatot. I think it's so beautiful. So they did send me this as well, which was really nice of them. So I've got the Dockatot. And then this is just chilling in here for the time being, but it's from Little Lou Baby. So it's just a change table. They actually sent me that as well, which is really nice of them. So yeah, this is literally the baby room, like everything that I have in the baby room. Yeah, I don't really know what else to like show you, but yeah, I really love everything in this room and I can't wait for her to be in it. So I really hope you enjoyed this video of the nursery. Yeah, it's been like a lot of people really love this like nursery, and everyone that comes over just loves the nursery, and they've wanted to like see the video of like what's in it. And yeah, that's literally all that is in it. She will probably get some more stuff later down the track, and I will probably keep adding things to it. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!